Garlic, the multi-healer. Garlic is one of the oldest known food flavoring plants. Ancient Indians used garlic for certain medicinal applications as well. Evidence from historical records suggests that garlic has been cultivated for at least 5,000 years. Probably, it was native to Central Asia, domesticated during Neolithic times, spread to the Middle East and Northern Africa by 3000 BC. Once garlic is peeled, sliced or crushed, it immediately begins to spread an intense smell due to the presence of sulfur-containing compounds. The active constituents in garlic are a combination of sulfur-containing compounds, many of which are derived from allicin. A few research findings. Garlic, as an example, contains 33 sulfur compounds, 17 amino acids, and more. So while it's easier for bacteria to mutate and become resistant to a single compound, it's much more difficult for them to mutate for a complex herbal antibiotic. According to a few research studies, garlic inhibits synthesis of N-nitroso compounds in human tissues, thus prevents cancer cell activity. Studies indicate that garlic compounds may block absorption of cholesterol or the reabsorption of bile from the gut, or inhibit the action of HMG-CoA reductase enzyme. Actions would produce a decline in blood cholesterol levels and may raise HDL cholesterol levels. One study showed that taking garlic each day during the winter months reduced the frequency of colds and upper respiratory tract infection. Traditional herbal therapists believe that a clove or bulb of crushed garlic, when kept in a room, can inhibit airborne pathogens. Traditionally, in countries like India, diluted garlic decoction used to be administered for respiratory infections as a part of support treatment. Traditional medical applications of garlic: anti-inflammatory, antibiotic, antioxidant, anti-amoebicidal, antispasmodic, antithrombotic, prevents blood clots, arteriosclerosis prevention, hardening of arteries, blood thinner, reduces platelet aggression, bronchitis control, cardiovascular health enhancer, cholesterol and triglyceride controller, chronic colds, coughs, dandruff control, diabetic management and sugar control, diaphoretic, that is increases sweating, digestive infections, sore throat, toothache treatment, ear ache easing, fungal skin infections, gangrene healing, that is pus healing, high blood pressure controller, hysteria control, immunity booster and immunomodulatory, leprosy treatment, liver cleanser, nicotinism, rheumatism treatment, staphylococcus infections, stomatosis, mouth burning, tenderness, inflammation, treatment of intestinal parasites, tumor inhibition, urinary tract infection, varicose veins, vaginosis, viral infections, wound healing. To get the best out of garlic, crush garlic cloves and then expose them for about 10 minutes to air before using it in food or as medicine. This allows sufficient time for allicin to form. Allinase enzyme within garlic converts allin into allicin upon damage or crushing of garlic cells. The crushing process brings allinase enzyme into contact with allin, allowing this reaction to occur. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe our channel.